Hey, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren. Today, we got a special day. We're going to be using the brand new Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi that I just got assembled. We're going to cook some nice St. Louis style ribs, and we're going to use a brand new coffee rub that I just got from FreshJax. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, I got my ribs here, and that's what I said. We're going to do some nice St. Louis cut ribs. I got these from my local store, Publix. They got some nice marbling to them. They've been sitting in the fridge for a couple days here, so they're still good, ready to go. They're still in the cryo pack. What I'm going to do is take them out of the cryo pack, of course, and I'm going to put a little bit of this Sunrise Cowgirl's coffee rub from FreshJax on them. This rub has not been released yet. This is actually a pre-release. They sent some to me to test out to kind of build some hype on it. I love coffee rubs, and this rub has got a little bit of everything, and they pretty much say you can use it with everything. Steak, chicken, pork, veggies, ribs, of course. And that's what I'm going to use on it today. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got some sugars, organic black pepper, cocoa, coffee, Himalayan pink salt, organic garlic. Of course, everything with FreshJax is organic. But check it out, guys. If you go to their website, freshjax.com, they do have this listed on there. It's just not for sale yet. It says coming soon, but it'll have all the ingredients on it. I'm really excited to try this. I just got it in today, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and try it out. But also, click on the link below in the description on FreshJax. They do sell on Amazon as well. All their spices and seasonings are organic. They're fresh. They're high quality. They're delicious. That's all I'm using from now on. I love their stuff. Check them out. Check out FreshJax on Amazon. So what I'm going to do is take these out of the packs. We're going to put them on the pan here, and I'm going to season them up, and then I'll be right back. Hey all, matter of fact, I just lost some of the cut footage of me putting the rub on the ribs, but I just wanted to show you. I did remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. I did coat both sides with the Sunrise Cowgirl's coffee rub from FreshJax. Smells wonderful, and what I'm going to do is just let these kind of sit here and kind of dry brine a little bit while I get the Camp Chef Woodwind up to temp. So it'll probably take about 35 minutes or so to let these just kind of sit here and let that rub kind of, maybe the salt penetrate a little bit, and let the rub kind of sink in. So the rub smells great. I'm going to be back. I'll show you how we're going to get this thing thrown on the Woodwind Wi-Fi. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you just a highlight here of what the Woodwind Wi-Fi can do. As you can tell, it is an all new digital controller here. It's got a little power button there on the bottom left. Turn on, you wait for it to kick on, and you're ready to go. You can set up your temp and smoke and everything from that control panel. It's got a little dial that you adjust and then press it in to select your choices. So really easy to operate. I'll get into the Wi-Fi features later on in another video, but it's really easy to set your temps. Just like before, you want to leave your lid open while it's starting up. It will count down a startup on the digital timer and also on your Camp Chef app, so it'll tell you when it's ready to actually hit the temp and ready for the food to go on. So that's a really good feature. It will, give you a notification when it's ready to go. So for now, we're just going to leave this open. It's going to tell you when it's time to close the lid. I did use some tin foil on here because this is my first time using this. I want to make sure that I don't have to do a whole lot of cleanup with these ribs. We are just going to be smoking these straight until we wrap them later on. So, all right, let's go ahead and get these ribs on. Just got notification that it's up to temp. So my ribs are ready. They've been kind of sitting here dry brining for 30 or 40 minutes while Grill got up to temp. We're just going to put them on the bottom rack and pretty much just going to let them sit there until I think they're ready to wrap. Woodwind Wi-Fi will monitor the temps and everything. So that's it. I'll be back. Hey y'all. I'm going to go ahead and temp these ribs. I normally don't run a probe in them, in ribs, just because it's, you know, they're really thin. It's kind of hard to keep a probe in them all the time. But I am going to temp them with my Inkbird instant read and just see how they're doing. I don't normally wrap my ribs either, but I may if they're not getting done enough. They're looking good as far as color wise. And then temp's like 170, 173 or 4. So they're actually not too bad. I'm trying to get between a bone there. Yeah, they're 175 or so. So they can actually go for a few more. This one's 180. Let's get these ones in the back. About 180 here. Oh, that one's a little 170. So I may just wrap these and put them back on for another 40 minutes or so, and then they should be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. I'll show you what I'm gonna do when I wrap them. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with these. I don't go all, when I do wrap, I don't go all fancy like Johnny Triggs or competition style where I'm putting 5 different kinds of, you know, honey and agave and fake butter and 18 different kinds of seasonings. Usually all I'll do is add a little bit of moisture. This is just apple juice mixed with a little bit of water. And this just helps kind of break down that connective tissue that's that we're trying to do. We're trying to make these tender, break down connective tissue and all that, collagen. So I'll just kind of drench them. And I'm going to add just a little bit of the FreshJax Rosy Cheeks rub on here. This is their other barbecue rub. I think this will go, it's a little bit sweeter than that coffee rub. So I think it will complement it pretty good. I'm just going to put it on the one side, just like a finishing rub here. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap these and get them back out on the grill so that they can finish cooking and get tender. So next time you see them, they will be done. Get these all wrapped up. Just want to make them tight because I want these to cook inside this foil. That's it. I'm going to throw them back out on the grill. I'll be back. All right, I've had these in for about an hour and a half or so. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap them. You can see the steam coming out. And I'm going to put them right back on the grill just for another 15-20 minutes. Kind of dry them off. You see all that moisture in there. I want to kind of get these dried off. Looks like they're pretty done because they're bending pretty good. That's the bend test. You can tell that they're pretty much all cooked. So now, like I said, I'm just going to take them out, put them back on the grill just to kind of dry them off. Let the grill kind of get rid of any of this excess moisture that we got on them from them being in the wrapper. So let me get those out. And that's one of the steps you kind of avoid when you're doing them sous vide. You don't have to worry about it because they're cooking in the bag the whole time and all that stuff's getting broken down inside the sous vide bag. So I'm going to get these back out on the grill and I'll bring them back when they're done. Well, here you go, guys. Take a look at those. Very nice. And like I said, I don't sauce my ribs, so you can sauce them in that last part if you want, where you're putting them back in just to get a glaze on them or what have you after you wrap them. But I don't normally sauce them because I'll put sauce on after the fact, or if I have guests especially, I like them to be able to pick the sauce they want. But I can tell you one thing. I did just take a little taste, and that rub is really good. It's got a little bit of kick to it. Really tender. Not fall off the bone tender, but yeah, that's got a little kick to it. That's for sure. I like it. You can taste that coffee. Taste the peppers. It's got like 5 different peppers in it. Awesome. Hot too. Try it out, guys. Check out the Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi. That thing performed like a champ. I'm going to do an in-depth walk around of it in another video. I just wanted to get these ribs cooked tonight and show you just pretty much how to cook on it. It's really easy. You can use your Wi-Fi and use the phone with Wi-Fi, or you can just use it manually. But control the smoke setting and all that. Check it out. Check out FreshJax Seasonings. Check out their new coming soon Sunrise Cowgirls Coffee Rub. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Make sure you follow us on the Fire and Water Cooking Podcast, and I'll see you again on the next Fire and Water Cooking video.